Hello there everyone and welcome to Chester Street Railway Station, and kicking things off we see the arrival of 802-219 working the 1114 TransPennine Express service at Liverpool Lime Street through to Newcastle. Whilst departing in the opposite direction is 802-203, departing 5 minutes late with the 1110 TransPennine Express service from Newcastle through to Liverpool Lime Street. Passing fast through the station for CrossCountry is 220013 and 220003, working 1 Sierra 35 from Bristol Temple Meads through to Edinburgh Waverley. Also passing fast for LNER is 801218, working 1 Sierra 08 from London King's Cross through to Edinburgh Waverley. Passing fast in the opposite direction for LNER is 801224, working 1 Echo 10 from Edinburgh Waverley through to London King's Cross. Passing fast in the opposite direction for LNER is 801211, working 1 Sierra 09 from London King's Cross through to Edinburgh Waverley. Passing fast for CrossCountry is 220005 and 220027, working 1 Victor 58 from Edinburgh Waverley through to Penzance. Next up, passing fast for LNER is 800-210, working 1K43 from Newcastle through to York. Whilst passing fast in the opposite direction for LNER is 801107, working 1 Lima 43 from York through to Newcastle. Also passing fast for LNER is 800-107, working 1 Echo 11 from Aberdeen through to London King's Cross. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 802-219, working the 1211 TransPennine Express service from Newcastle through to Liverpool Lime Street. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.